Electric planes, the future of sustainable aviation. The aviation industry is responsible for 2 to 3% of global carbon emissions, making it a key area for sustainable innovation. Electric planes are emerging as a cleaner alternative, powered by electric batteries instead of jet fuel, producing zero emissions during flight. This technology could significantly reduce the aviation industry's carbon footprint and reshape how we travel. Companies like InnoVision are leading the way with aircraft like the Alice, an electric plane designed for short regional flights. Alice can carry 9 passengers and travel up to 500 miles on a single charge, ideal for regional routes. By using battery power, it eliminates harmful emissions and offers a quieter, more efficient flight experience. As battery technology advances, the range of electric planes is expected to increase, eventually allowing them to serve longer routes. Electric planes also hold potential for urban air mobility. In the near future, we could see electric air taxis providing fast, emission-free transportation across cities. These planes are quieter than traditional aircraft, reducing noise pollution around airports and residential areas. Electric planes could offer more direct flights between smaller airports, easing congestion at major hubs and reducing travel times. With fewer moving parts, they also require less maintenance, potentially lowering costs for airlines and passengers. Despite these advantages, challenges remain. Current battery technology limits electric planes to short flights, and the necessary infrastructure, such as charging stations, is still underdeveloped. However, with continued research and investment, electric planes are expected to play a vital role in sustainable aviation. As battery technology improves and electrification expands, emission-free air travel could soon become a reality, representing a key step toward a greener future for global transportation.